This is a life-saving sphere, capable of protecting you in times of crisis. Dubbed the Sea Escape Sphere, it boasts a 1.3-meter diameter and features 2 aviation-grade shock-absorbing seats inside. To ensure significant impact resistance during disasters, its internal frame is welded from aviation-grade aluminum alloy and wrapped in a triple-layer metal shell to fend off sharp object impacts. The interior also includes a heat-resistant layer capable of withstanding temperatures up to 1600 degrees Celsius. Painted in a conspicuous hue, it remains highly visible when floating on water for prompt detection. The sphere is equipped with 2 glass windows for survivors to monitor the exterior environment. At its base, a gravity balancer is installed to keep it upright like a wobble doll, maintaining balance and preventing it from flipping over. To test the sphere's practicality, it was once dropped from a helicopter above a 100-meter waterfall, plunging towards it, and ultimately caught by the rescue team downstream unscathed. Notably, the sphere has ample internal space to accommodate various survival equipment, such as a radio transmitter, flares, emergency medical supplies, and enough food and fresh water for 2 people to last 20 days, ensuring the safety of survivors until rescue arrives. Isn't it amazing?